Today we're going to be doing a very special project. Now if you like what I do, please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and YouTube will notify you of any all upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Craftyladyetta. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute, awesome yarn birds. It's made out of yarn, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay. First, you're going to need, you can either cut out an 8-inch long, you can either have a board, this one's 8 inches, or you can cardboard 8 inches long. You're going to need 3 different colors of yarn, a little bird's nest, which I bought this one at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some bird feathers, it's optional. You're also going to need a cotton ball. And you're going to need some black beads for the eyes. Okay? Alright. Let's get started. First, you're going to cut down this cotton ball. Not too small, just small enough. You don't want it too big because when you do the bird, you don't want the head to be too bulky. Okay, now, what you're going to do is you're going to get the yarn. Okay? And we're going to wrap the yarn, all 3 yarns, around 20 times. Okay? Like so. Watch. We're going to wrap it around 20 times. thought they came out super cute. See? Look. And you can also hang them by pulling one of the strings out and tying it. You can hang it if you want. I mean, there's no telling what you can do with these little birds. They're so cute. And like I said, the feathers are optional. You can do them with the feathers or without. I just happen to like them with the feathers. So if you like what I do, please subscribe, tap that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you of any and all upcoming videos. And share. And remember, keep on crafting. Bye.